Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove RoboKiller on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open settings on your iPhone. Once you are in, tap on your name at the top of your screen. Now tap on subscriptions. Now you will see a list of all your active subscriptions. Find and tap RoboKiller. Tap cancel subscription, confirm when out. Your subscription is now cancelled and will not be charged again. Now go back to settings and scroll down and tap on phone. After that, scroll down and tap on cloud blocking and identification. Find RoboKiller in the list and turn the switch off. This stops RoboKiller from blocking or answering calls. Now go back to the home screen. Find the RoboKiller app icon, press and hold the app. A small menu will appear. Tap remove app, then tap delete app. Confirm by tapping delete. The RoboKiller app is now removed from your phone. And that's it. You have successfully removed RoboKiller from your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.